Hey guys, Merry Christmas. I hope you guys had an awesome time with all of your family. I know I did. I'm waiting for the new year to roll on in. It's practically almost here. It's legit around the corner. So I just want to wish y'all a happy new year as well. And yeah, so today I just wanted to make like a short video just showing y'all some of the products that I've recently gotten in the mail. And let's get started. Okay, the first thing I want to show you is this by Rimmel, and it is the Magnify Eyes Spice Edition. How pretty are these colors? Let me open them so that you don't get the glare from the ring light there. Okay. So you see beautiful or earth tone colors, matte and shimmery, which I love a variety in one palette, as a lot of you guys know. And I'm really excited to actually play with this and see what kind of looks I can create with it. So why don't we swatch one of them? Let's watch this color and see. Whoa, pigmentation is really nice. We'll see how these blend out though, because you know sometimes you can actually touch a shadow and it looks really pigmented, but when you try to actually apply it on your eye, it can be very like spotchy. Is that a word? Spotchy? Blotchy? I think I combined spotty and blotchy, so spotchy. And you know, so you just kind of have to be careful. So we see that there is really good pigmentation with this, so this is nice. It seems like it's a limited edition palette because it says Spice Edition, and usually collections like this don't tend to stay around forever. Rimmel, this Stay Satin liquid lip color, and I'm guessing that it is a liquid lipstick. I don't think it's a lip gloss because it's a lip gloss. I don't want to swatch it, to be quite honest, because I'm gonna leave my... Oh, it is... Whoa, that's really pigmented. That's super red. So we'll see how that dries, and I think it's a liquid lip color. It says liquid lip color. As I'm... Oh my gosh, okay, it's happening. I think it's a liquid lipstick, so... That is beautiful. Beautiful for this time of the year as well. Yeah, I'm really liking that. I can't wait to wear this. The Sinful Gel Tech Polish Collection, and it comes with a variety of colors, as you can see. I didn't get all of them, I only got a few, which is totally fine. So you're supposed to get the perfect gel-like shine with their newest long-lasting Sinful Shine range. Forget the salon with this easy two-step system to achieve a gel-like mani, which is actually up my alley. I have not been to the salon to get my nails done in over a year. No, it'll be about a year in February or January, I'm not sure. But sorry, I'm trying to see how this dries. So I did it because I realized I was spending way too much money doing my nails twice a month, and you know, you don't just do the $12 manicure, you do the full-on no chip gel, whatever it is. But I was really into the no chip, and then I realized that I was spending way too much money, and I thought, oh, okay, we need to budget. So I started doing my own nails, and I did my own nails with their collection. Oh gosh, this is the color that I'm wearing today. It is a gray with a it looks green in this lighting, but it's actually gold. Very gold shimmers in it, and I really like it because it's a pretty neutral color, but also it just has a little added extra special sparkle to it that is not over the top for me, because I'm really into neutral colors. I'll sometimes do a pop of color if I'm feeling it. If I'm not, then I just won't. So this is called Prosecco. We have these two. As you can see, these all have glitters in it. Very, very fine glitters. So this one is called Diamond in the Raw. I would totally wear this. This one is Shimmering, and this is a blue. It's a navy color with silver shimmer in it. There's Magic Dragon, which is it's a teal with silver glitters in it. It is so pretty. Oh my gosh, like, it's beautiful. Then we have Wine Knot, which looks burgundy, but it's is it burgundy? I thought it was purple. Maybe it's a purple red or something, which is burgundy, right? So it's this with we're just gonna call it this color, with silver glitters in it again. Shine Annie. And this one actually has a variety of glitter colors in it, like purple, gold, silver, pink, I think, or red. So it's like multicolored glitters in this one. This one is called Caribbean Cool, and this has no glitter at all. Look how pretty that color. It looks like a Tiffany blue color. It actually reminds me of a color by, what is, China Glaze, and I don't remember. I want to say it's called Audrey something. I don't remember. If you guys remember that color, please put it down below, because I don't remember. But there's that one. And then this one is really pretty. It's called Tutu Thrills, and it's just a very pastel pink color. It almost looks white, but it just has a very slight touch of pink in it, and I do love colors like this. So I'm really excited about these. Right, so this is very sad, but I got a package from PIXI, and as you can see, one of the palettes that they sent me is completely just demolished. That's what happens sometimes. You get one of them that's just fallen and kind of is sacrificed through the trip. But it's really sad, because I actually would have loved to use this. Maybe, you know what, it's not a lost cause. I can always do something about it, right? You can always fix it. So we're gonna try to fix it and see. It's not gonna look exactly perfect, but we're gonna see. Gilded Bear Glow, and basically it's like it's an ombre kind of bronzer to blush to highlight there. Oh god, even if you open it, like, it just flies out. Oh god, no, we're not gonna do that. Sorry. But here is this one, and it's called Pink Champagne Glow. So as you can see, it's this beautiful pink color. Oh my gosh, how darling is that? How pretty. Like, I don't have anything like this, so I'm so excited. I also got this little package from Loreal, and it's called Brows for Days, and it's filled with brow products in this cute little makeup bag. And we just have these Unbelievable Brow, which is, I think that they're brow tints. Kind of look like mascara. Oh, it looks like a lip gloss. How is that gonna work? That's interesting. That's interesting. Okay. Oh, they give you wands to go, so you can dip them in there and then just like brush it onto your brows. Okay, I get it, I get it. They gave me a variety of colors. There's one more in here that I forgot to take out. There's that one. So we shall see how that works. I'll let y'all know how that works. Last but not least, I have Almay lip colors here. These are all lipsticks. Now, I can go and make a video swatching these. If you want a video like that, please let me know. Oh my god, someone just texting me. It's a group chat. That's how y'all know it's a group chat, like, that I'm in. But if you guys want me to make a separate video on these lip colors, swatching each and every single one of them, I can definitely do that for you. Just let me know. I'm not going to do it in this video because it'll be way too long. Also from Rimmel, I got the Just Let It Go Gentle Eye Makeup Remover. It's supposed to take off waterproof makeup as well. and definitely know I need some of that. And then I also got the Lash Accelerator, and this is supposed to be a lash growth serum. If you guys have tried this or have heard any reviews on this, please let me know, because this actually makes me really excited. I love lash growth serums. But I know this is a short video, but I just want to show you guys a few of the things that I have recently received, and I hope you guys are doing really well. I love y'all, and I'll talk to you guys soon. God bless you. Bye.